Why most people fail to speak English. Do you know something interesting? Many people spend years learning English. They read books, they watch videos, they even understand everything. But when it comes to speaking, they feel stuck. They hesitate. They stay silent. And deep inside, they ask themselves, why can't I speak English confidently? If you feel the same, then this message is for you. Before we go deeper, take a moment and think, what is really stopping you? Is it grammar? Is it vocabulary? Or is it something deeper? Now, before we continue, if you want to improve your English speaking skills, build confidence, and grow your mindset, make sure you subscribe to Speak and Grow Wisdom. This channel is not just about learning English, it's about transforming the way you think, speak, and grow in life. So hit the subscribe button and start your journey today. Now, let's understand the real problem. Most people fail to speak English not because they don't know English, but because they are afraid to use it. Let me tell you a simple story. There was a student named Rahim. He studied English for many years. He knew grammar rules, he could read books easily, he could even understand English movies. But whenever someone asked him a question in English, he became nervous. His mind went blank, his heart started beating fast, and he said, "Sorry, I can't speak." Why? Because Rahim was not practicing speaking, he was only learning, not using. And this is the first big mistake. You learn, but you don't practice. Think about it. Can you learn swimming by reading a book? Can you learn cycling by watching videos? No, you need to practice. You need to try, fail, and try again. Speaking English is exactly the same. Another reason people fail is overthinking. Before speaking, they think too much. Is my grammar correct? Will people laugh at me? What if I make a mistake? And because of this fear, they don't speak at all. But here is the truth. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is. Every fluent English speaker you see today was once a beginner. They made mistakes, they spoke broken English, but they didn't stop. Now let me ask you a question. Which is better? A. Speaking perfect English after 5 years. B. Speaking broken English today and improving every day. The answer is clear. Another powerful reason is lack of confidence. Confidence doesn't come from knowledge, it comes from action. The more you speak, the more confident you become. The more you avoid speaking, the more fear grows inside you. It's like a muscle. If you don't use it, it becomes weak. Your speaking ability is the same. Now imagine this. Two people start learning English on the same day. Person A studies grammar every day but never speaks. Person B speaks daily even with mistakes. After 6 months, who will speak better? Person B, because practice creates confidence. Now let's talk about another hidden problem, translation. Most learners try to translate from their native language to English in their mind. They think in Bangla, then convert it into English. This process is slow, it creates confusion, and it stops your fluency. Instead, you need to train your brain to think in English. Start simple. Think, I am eating, I am walking, I am learning. Small steps create big changes. Now, here is another truth that most people don't understand. English is not just a subject, it is a skill. And skills are built through repetition, not perfection. You don't need big words, you don't need perfect grammar. You need simple, clear communication. Speak what you know, even if it's basic, even if it's not perfect. Because every time you speak, you improve. Now, let me share something powerful with you. Your fear of speaking English is not because English is difficult. It is because you care too much about what others think. But remember this, people are too busy thinking about themselves. They are not thinking about your mistakes. So why are you stopping yourself? Speak, try, fail, learn, grow. Because at the end of the day, the only way to improve speaking is to speak. And this is where your transformation begins. But now the question is, what can you do differently from today? How can you break this fear, this hesitation, and finally start speaking English with confidence? Let's make it simple. The first step is to change your mindset. Stop saying, "I can't speak English." Instead, start saying, "I am learning to speak English." This small change in your words will create a big change in your mind, because your words shape your reality. If you keep telling yourself that you can't do it, your brain will believe it. But if you tell yourself that you are learning, improving, growing, your brain will support you. Now, let's move to the second step. Speak every single day. Not sometimes, not when you feel confident, every single day. Even if it's for 5 minutes, even if you speak alone. Stand in front of a mirror and talk. Talk about your day. Talk about your plans. Talk about your thoughts. It may feel strange in the beginning, but slowly it will become natural because practice removes fear. Now, let me tell you another short story. There was a girl who was very shy. She could not speak English in front of others, but she made a simple decision. Every day, she would speak English for 10 minutes in front of a mirror. At first, she made many mistakes. She forgot words. She felt uncomfortable, but she didn't stop. After 1 month, she noticed something interesting. Her fear was less. Her confidence was growing. After 3 months, she could speak with others. Not perfectly, but confidently. And that is the goal. Confidence first, perfection later. Now let's talk about something very important. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Many people say, "I will start speaking when I am ready." But the truth is, you will never feel 100% ready. Confidence comes after you start, not before. So start now. Start with small sentences. Start with simple words. Start with courage. Because every expert was once a beginner. Now here is another powerful habit you must build. Surround yourself with English. Listen to English podcasts. Watch English videos. Read simple English content. The more you expose your brain to English, the more natural it becomes. Language is not just learned, it is absorbed. Now imagine this. If you hear English every day, think in English every day, and speak English every day, how can you not improve? It's impossible. Growth becomes automatic. Now let's talk about confidence again, because this is the biggest key. Confidence is not about speaking perfectly. Confidence is about speaking without fear. You don't need to be perfect to start. You need to be brave. And bravery is a decision. From today, decide this. I will speak no matter what. Even if people laugh, even if you make mistakes, even if you feel nervous, speak. Because every time you speak, you break your fear. Every time you speak, you build your confidence. Every time you speak, you move closer to your goal. Now take a deep moment and imagine your future. Imagine yourself speaking English confidently. Imagine yourself expressing your ideas clearly. Imagine people listening to you with respect. That version of you is real, but only if you start today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Because success is built on daily actions. Small steps, repeated every day, create big results. And finally, remember this powerful truth. You don't fail because English is hard. You fail because you don't practice enough. So change your approach. Speak more, think less, act daily, and your life will change. If you truly want to become a confident English speaker, then start your journey now. Speak with courage, learn with patience, and grow with consistency.
And always remember this: your voice matters. Speak and let the world hear you. See you in the next episode.